Hello everyone and welcome back to the sessions on strategic financial management. If you are a CA final student or a CMA final student and planning to write your exam in this coming term, and if you are facing one problem, this problem, how do I revise the topic derivatives in minimal time? Now derivatives happens to be a big huge topic. It takes a lot of time to prepare it. So if your problem is you want to revise that topic in minimal possible time and you don't know how to do it, then let me tell you one thing, you are at the right place and watching the right video. So what I will do, I will first of all tell you one thing, that to have revisions of derivatives in a systematic manner, you should be clear with the basic concepts of derivatives. And to check whether you are clear with the basic concepts of derivatives or not, I can provide a small checklist over here on the screen. If your response to that checklist is all positive response, if it is asked do you know this, and if your answer is yes, you know it, then you are good to go with the revisionary videos. If not, if you have some problems in understanding those basic concepts, then I would recommend you to watch the basic video on understanding the derivatives first of all. Which video to watch, I will definitely guide you, but let me first take you through the checklist which I was talking about. So please refer to this checklist, which begins with the first question as what is meant by derivatives? What are functions of a derivative? What are the types of derivatives? Who are the various participants in derivative? What are forwards and futures contracts? How do you differentiate between forwards and futures? What are bullish and bearish sentiments? What are long and short positions? What is short selling? How can you speculate through forwards and futures? How does margin mechanism work in futures contract? So friends, I told you, if the response to this checklist that comes from your side is a positive response, you believe that you are through with all these questions, you know the answers for all these questions, you are good to go with the revision part. If not, you should go ahead with the basic parts of derivatives. And to identify the right video that you should watch, let me guide you over here. So watch this basics of derivative video for understanding the basics that is given on top, and if you are good to go with the revisions, watch the video given at the bottom. So make the right choice and do it now.